The years 2020 and 2021 will be remembered as turbulent chapters in our lives. It felt like being on the wildest roller coaster ride, with unexpected twists and turns. A global pandemic drained finances due to soaring medical expenses, followed by a stock market crash that left businesses in paralysis. Many people faced the harsh reality of losing their livelihoods, while a fortunate few managed to reap extraordinary profits. But how exactly did they do it? Well, I'll show you. So today, I'll take you to 9 shocking financial hacks to secure your future. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Make a decisive savings plan. The year ahead should be a transformative one for your savings strategy. It's not enough to simply stash money in a savings account. Instead, consider defining what percentage of your income should be allocated to various financial goals. This entails creating a detailed plan that designates specific amounts for different purposes, akin to having a separate piggy bank for each objective. By treating your savings like a daily budget, where every dollar has a purpose, you'll prevent impulsive spending on frivolous expenses. This disciplined approach not only keeps you on track to meet your financial objectives, but also safeguards you from empty pockets during festive seasons. The choice of savings goals is personal, but as you master this technique, you'll find yourself closer to realizing your dreams. Number 2. Build a strong credit score. The mention of credit often sends shivers down people's spines. However, credit isn't all negative. In fact, building a good credit score can benefit you immensely. A strong credit score opens doors to significant financial opportunities. For instance, it is crucial when buying a home, potentially securing better terms and rates. Additionally, a good credit score can lead to favorable terms for loans, a boon for business owners seeking capital injections. The paradox is that the only way to improve your credit score is by start using credit responsibly. By managing your credit diligently and repaying debts promptly, you'll lay the foundation for a brighter financial future. Number 3. Develop a debt repayment plan. Carrying forward high-interest debt is akin to dragging an anchor while trying to reach financial success. It is crucial to take a moment to catalog all of your debts, ascertain the outstanding amounts, and understand the interest rates imposed. Once you have this information, arrange your debts from the highest interest rates to the lowest. Consider whether it's prudent to continue postponing repayment as interest accumulates. Alternatively, prioritize paying off the largest debt first, working your way down the debt chain systematically. Ensure that you meet your debt obligations every month to avoid additional fines. This money-saving strategy will unshackle you from the burden of debt, moving you closer to financial freedom. Number 4. Find a mentor. While you may believe in your ability to navigate the financial landscape as a lone warrior, the truth is that a mentor can significantly ease your journey. Mentors offer invaluable guidance and insights, helping you navigate unexpected pitfalls. Their expertise becomes even more potent as they possess insider knowledge in your chosen field. Mentors can also introduce you to a network of like-minded individuals and professionals, expanding your opportunities for collaboration and growth. The power of mentorship multiplies when you engage with multiple mentors, each offering unique perspectives and wisdom. Embrace their guidance, learn from their experiences, and avoid repeating the financial mistakes made by previous generations. Remember that financial awareness doesn't begin at a specific age, such as 30. Your prime years in your 20s or even later offer ample opportunities for financial success and personal growth. Be unafraid to break the mold and showcase your potential to the world, regardless of your age. Differentiate yourself by striving for financial mastery and showcasing your capabilities. Number 5. Start a side hustle. Embarking on a side hustle can be intimidating, as it often feels like a balancing act between potential success and the fear of destabilizing your primary income source. However, there's no need to subject yourself to unnecessary stress. Consider starting with a small venture that you can manage outside of your regular work hours and on weekends. And rather than providing a list of opportunities, I advocate for aligning your side gig with your passions and interests. Pursue something you genuinely love and enjoy doing without external pressure. Experiment with various options until you discover the right one that resonates with you. Even if your side hustle doesn't yield significant financial gains immediately, the lessons and personal growth you gain from it can be invaluable. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, grow your emergency fund. I mentioned the importance of establishing an emergency fund earlier in this video. Now it's time to focus on its growth. As it stands, your emergency fund should be up and running. However, it's not enough to just have it. You should aspire to expand it further. The goal here is to save enough money to cover your expenses for up to 3 months, a safety net to fall back on in times of unexpected financial hardship. Experts recommend aiming even higher, with a 6 to 9 month emergency fund as the gold standard. For individuals with irregular income streams, such as freelancers or business owners, a 12-month buffer is advisable. While it might seem daunting, remember that a few dollars set aside regularly can accumulate into substantial sums over time. Setting a realistic monthly contribution to your emergency fund, one that doesn't strain your daily budget, will ensure your financial security against the uncertainties life throws your way. Number 7. Embrace lifelong learning. A common thread among wealthy individuals is their unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Their continuous pursuit for education is the cornerstone of their success. Education is not confined to a single point in time. It's a lifelong journey without a predetermined endpoint. The most prosperous individuals have amassed wealth through this ongoing process. Strive for education beyond traditional degrees or financial certificates. Immerse yourself in books that guide you through the complexities of investment. Engage with topics that ignite your curiosity, for you never know where the newfound insights might lead you. Embracing a culture of learning, especially in your 20s, will open doors to an array of career opportunities, guaranteeing a bright future. Whether you prefer the tactile experience of a library or the convenience of ebooks and newsletters, the key is to cultivate a habit of continuous learning. This practice will set you on a trajectory towards professional growth, personal enrichment, and sustained financial success. Number 8. Denounce the status symbol. It's time to abandon the allure of status symbols. Living by the "you only live once" or YOLO motto might seem exhilarating at first, but consider what you truly gain from showing off to a crowd of strangers. The temptation to flaunt flashy cars, extravagant houses, and extravagant lifestyles often leads to overspending on depreciating assets that provide only fleeting satisfaction. Let's take cars as an example. They not only depreciate over time, but they also demand constant maintenance, insurance costs, and potential repair expenses after accidents. Reducing your reliance on automobiles not only benefits your finances, but also contributes to a cleaner environment and less time wasted in traffic. Consider focusing on the bigger picture, like achieving a comfortable life within the next 5 years. Instead of investing in fast fashion and luxurious dining experiences, embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. Purchase pre-loved clothing, which not only saves you money but also reduces the environmental impact of fast fashion. Opt for a practical phone that serves your needs efficiently, and maintain it to avoid frequent replacements. The money saved from avoiding excessive spending on status symbols can be redirected towards building your financial future. Number 9. Craft an effective budget. Creating an effective budget may not sound like the most thrilling task, but it stands as a vital pillar of financial success. Beyond its surface definition, budgeting requires a comprehensive understanding and a thoughtful recalibration of your financial habits. Your budget should encompass various critical elements: a consistent allocation for monthly savings, a well-organized record of your debts, including amounts owed and due dates, a detailed breakdown of your expenses to understand your spending patterns, precise tracking of recurring bills, and a careful calculation of your monthly income compared to your expenditures. This meticulous approach to budgeting will dispel the illusion of financial stability and provide you with a well-crafted financial plan, setting you apart in the world of personal finance and guiding you towards your desired financial goals. 2020 and 2021 has tested our financial resilience, but the lessons learned can pave the way for a more prosperous future. By following the points made in this video, you equip yourself with essential tools to thrive in uncertain times. So as we move forward, let these financial strategies be your guide on the path to financial prosperity and security. Well, that's basically 9 shocking financial hacks to secure your future. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.